안녕하세요, 윤정수입니다. 지금 LG 컨퍼런스에 왔고요. 지금 컨퍼런스 행사 전에 지금 스타트에서 이제 이번에 나오는 LG 제품에 대해서 소개해드리겠습니다. 컨퍼런스 현장으로 한번 가보시죠.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to CES 2018. My name is IP Park, Chief Technology Officer of LG Electronics. I'm truly excited to present to you our innovation story. Today, technologies and industries are evolving at exponential speed. Software and connectivity are at the core of this digital transformation. And more specifically, big data, IoT, cloud services, and of course, artificial intelligence, which is the main topic I'll be talking about today. For the past few years, our corporate philosophy has been innovation for a better life. This means we strive to think from the user's perspective to deliver products and solutions that make your lives easier and better. So today at CES, we introduce LG's global AI brand. It's called LG ThinQ. This name is significant because it represents LG's commitment to think about you, the user, in all that we do. It also represents LG's products and solutions that think to provide intelligent services. LG ThinQ will completely change the way we use our products. Our products will learn from the users to provide intelligent services, not the other way around. So you won't have to study instruction manuals anymore. LG ThinQ has three main characteristics. The first is the ability to evolve with time. With ThinQ, the term live and learn takes on an exciting new meaning. The more you use our products, the better they evolve to meet your specific needs. For example, the LG ThinQ air conditioner learns your living patterns over time. It cools to the temperature you want, when you want it. You don't even have to lift a finger. Our robot vacuum cleaner learns the people and the pets that live in your home. And when navigating through hallway and the rooms, it'll be able to detect whether the object in front of it is a piece of furniture, or you, or your dog. In the car, LG's cabin monitoring technology learns the driver's facial expressions and gesture. It recognizes the moment you start getting drowsy and it alerts you. And in a bit more futuristic scenario of a driverless car, LG ThinQ will be able to automatically adjust the music, the lighting, or the temperature by learning about the passenger's activities inside the car. All of these self-evolving products are possible because of the customer experience and the insight we have gained over the past 6 decades all over the world. As you know, our home products are 100% Wi-Fi enabled and IoT ready. So this, together with our AI technology, can provide unique and practical value each and every day. The second characteristic of LG ThinQ is the ability to integrate AI into a diverse portfolio of everyday products. LG makes many products that you use every single day, in the home, on the road, and in the office. Through this wide range of network products, you will be able to benefit from AI as a seamless user experience. For example, at home with LG's total clothing care solution, the only thing that you have to do is put in your laundry. Our appliances do the rest. The machine can automatically set the washing cycle depending on the type and the load. Or provide the optimal dryer cycle, or have the styler seamlessly prepare your clothes. In the car, LG's in-vehicle infotainment system can communicate with your home refrigerator to see if you need to pick up groceries after work. And as you get closer to your home, it adjusts your home lighting and temperature. Your garage door automatically opens when you arrive. In hotels, buildings, and stores, our B2B systems such as hotel TVs, system air conditioners, and digital signage will increasingly offer more LG ThinQ AI and data services for convenience and productivity. The several different types of robots that will be showcased in our booth this year really sum up our comprehensive efforts in AI, robotics, software, and data services capabilities. And in part, they serve as a perfect testbed of exponential technologies and innovative business models. These robots are currently being deployed in public spaces such as airports and shopping malls. So LG is pioneering the field of service robots. The third characteristic of LG ThinQ is the openness. Our philosophy of LG ThinQ is to provide the best AI experience to our customers, whether it comes from our own or from an external partner's solution. The world has become just too complex for any single company to insist on a proprietary closed solution. So our open strategy is always to provide the most powerful AI solution to the users by utilizing open platform, open partnership, and open connectivity. Our own AI engine called Deep ThinQ, which supports voice and video recognition, uses deep learning technology to make our products smarter as time passes. For example, it can be used to enhance the picture quality of our OLED TV, or reduce the cycle time of our washing machines. Furthermore, our Deep ThinQ has very flexible architecture to easily connect with external services by our partners. With our open partnership strategy, we are working with prominent partners such as Google and Amazon for general services in AI. We are also open to working with other local and global partners. For example, we are collaborating with Google to integrate the Google Assistant in some of our strategic products, such as our OLED TVs, wireless AI speakers, and intelligent headphones. With our open connectivity strategy, we allow various IoT products to coexist in the home IoT ecosystem. For this, we are actively participating in industry consortium such as OCF. So in our open ecosystem, you can use LG's refrigerator panel to control an IoT device from another manufacturer. Imagine that. We also see potential value of using home IoT data in synergy with data from other industries. For example, connecting a smart hub to an electric vehicle can automatically schedule your car to charge at an optimal time. It will save you money. As part of our open strategy, we have created an investment fund. And through this fund, we will actively seek and work with innovation partners to accelerate the growth of artificial intelligence. So tomorrow, in the LG booth, you will see the LG ThinQ world unfolding before your eyes. And you will see that with LG ThinQ, life's good. Now let me turn the stage over to a good friend from Google to tell you more about our collaboration. Thank you, and enjoy the show.
Thanks, Dr. Carl. I'm very excited to be here to talk about how the Google Assistant and LG are continuing to work together. Now, at the highest level, our goal with the Google Assistant is to help people get things done in a natural, seamless way. We're building on our experience in machine learning, speech recognition, and natural language processing to create a conversational experience that's available no matter what device you're using. Our collaboration with LG, which began on phones, has continued over the last year and a half. And because of LG's breadth of products, we've been able to work together on all kinds of devices, including LG watches, OLED TVs, refrigerators, washing machines, ovens, air conditioners, and more. For example, with the Google Assistant, you can check the status of your LG home appliances, or tell your LG OLED TV to turn on the air purifier if the room gets stuffy. The LG ThinQ speaker is also a great example of the Google Assistant working with LG, and will be coming and available in the coming months. With the LG ThinQ speaker and the Google Assistant, you can get hands-free help around your home. Another example is the Tone wireless in-ear headset. The Tone is optimized for the Google Assistant, which means there's circuitry built right into the headphone that makes assistant access instantaneous. The Tone has an action button that you just press and hold to talk to the assistant, to start your playlist, reply to messages, skip a track, and more. Now, these are just some of the highlights of how we're working together to bring the Google Assistant to more LG devices. We're only a week into 2018, and I'm looking forward to everything we have planned together for this year. Thanks for having me.
Morning. You know, as head of marketing for LG Electronics here in the US, I often get asked, do consumers really need all these smart devices? Is there really any benefit? Well, today I'm going to demonstrate how LG AI is making people's lives easier and better, both in the home and outside. And we're going to start with the everyday items we use most, appliances. You know, last year at CES, we announced that our entire lineup of 2017 home appliances would be Wi-Fi enabled. And we delivered on that promise this year. And now in 2018, we're going to add LG ThinQ, our AI platform, to all of our appliances. As Dr. Park shared, LG ThinQ continuously learns your behaviors and your preferences and optimizes the services to meet individual needs faster and better. Plus, our AI platform integrates across all of our LG products, and they can talk and learn from each other. In the end, all to benefit the consumer. Our goal, deliver the best, most convenient solution to everyday lives. And that means LG is uniquely positioned to work with the best of the best to ensure LG products meet needs. So to help me show the LG family of AI home appliances, allow me to introduce Chloe. Hello, Chloe.
Good morning, Dave. I hope you're well. What can I do for you today?
Now, look, there are already a variety of products that help make homes smarter, including speakers that listen and even talk. And Chloe here is our way to operate your LG devices via voice commands, and I might add, the most interactive as well. It's the ultimate in simplicity when managing your smart home. Plus, we really love how Chloe is capable of physical and emotional interaction. She's so cute. Talk about innovation that makes you smile. Okay, so how does LG ThinQ really work? Let me show you how LG AI can transform an everyday routine like laundry. Okay, let's go with me. It's Saturday morning. I get up. I first like to make sure everything is ready for the day. Chloe, what's my schedule?
You need to go to the gym at 10 a.m. today. Power up! Power up! Smart Learner has set the washer to the sportswear setting.
Sounds like the perfect setting for my workout gear. Thanks, Chloe. So LG ThinQ has now chose the very best wash cycle for me based on my personal laundry habits. And I love that the LG Sidekick pedestal washer helps me get my workout gear without having to wait immediately. So LG washers observe frequently used laundry settings and repetitive patterns in everyday life to optimize the clothing management methods. For instance, things like changes in the weather, air quality. All of this can now be incorporated to optimize the washer settings for the clothes. These are things that the consumer often wasn't even thinking about. That's what AI is all about. Chloe, am I ready on my washing cycle? Even robots have bad days. So, if we had the washing cycle ready to go, then the dryer could also be synced up. And Chloe itself will make sure that the dryer has the correct setting. This means the LG appliances aren't acting independently. They're talking to one another. They're learning from one another. In the case of laundry, the washer is talking to the dryer, so I don't have to do it. And only from LG can you get a total clothing care solution that includes LG's advanced washers and dryers along with our exclusive LG Styler. The LG Styler uses the power of steam to refresh and de-wrinkle without any chemicals. This together is truly the ultimate laundry room, and only LG has it. Our new capacity LG Styler identifies NFC tags that are embedded inside of the clothing and then automatically sets for an optimal setting for the clothing care. You don't have to painstakingly examine a tiny tag on the clothing. Instead, smart technology can effortlessly read the NFC tag and refresh the clothes with the power of steam. So I'm getting a little hungry up here. Let's think about dinner. Let's see what we have over in our smart kitchen. LG's smart connected refrigerators, ranges, and dishwashers make managing the kitchen easier than ever. The LG InstaView ThinkView refrigerator is the latest when it comes to smart AI in the kitchen. 29-inch full HD touchscreen display helps you look up recipes, check weather, and yes, even do grocery shopping. It includes a smart tag feature that allows you to log and check each ingredient's expiration date. So let me demonstrate. Chloe, what's for dinner tonight? Okay, Chloe is not going to talk to me, and Chloe doesn't like me, evidently. We're going to go ahead and check the ingredients inside the refrigerator, and we're going to see a variety of tags here. We can leave notes for our family members. We could also check expiration dates of food ingredients. So in this case, we're going to go to find out that we've got chicken in the refrigerator and it's expiring in 3 days. It looks like we should use the chicken. Chloe, are you talking to me yet? What recipes could I make with chicken? Okay, we're going to search recipes and we're going to find buffalo chicken pizza. Buffalo chicken pizza sounds good. The good thing about now with the ability of Wi-Fi, we can not only have the recipe up, we know the ingredients, we're using a food that's going to expire in 3 days, we can actually send the recipe over to the oven. So the oven will automatically now set and preheat. So, in the past, what would you have to do? You'd have to open the refrigerator, look for your ingredients, figure out what potentially is going to be expired, then look up recipes and make sure to set the proper oven temperature. But now, this smart kitchen is changing the game. It's doing it all for you seamlessly and effortlessly. And as an added benefit, LG's active power saving function helps save energy. It learns the family's consumption patterns. It activates the power saving mode when it's not being used for extended periods, like a vacation, for example, and that saves energy and saves money. And if you're a maintenance freak like me, you'll be pleased to know that AI technology will also have what we call LG Proactive Service built right into the product. So let's say there's a service issue with your refrigerator or washer, which seldom happens with an LG appliance, but go with me. You'd contact the service center, right? They would then send a technician to fix the problem. But now, with LG ThinkView, our AI can detect potential issues before they even occur. LG's Proactive Service detects data generated by the appliance and then delivers it to the service center before the problem even occurs. A simple communication from our service center will oftentimes help avoid the problem completely, or troubleshoot one if it occurs. So every aspect of LG's AI products, from usability to maintenance, now deliver a new dimension of consumer convenience. Now we've seen the AI technology in home appliances. Let's explore the living room. Please watch the video. So, you may wonder, why does a television need AI when we already have so many different intelligent speakers? Well, there's a few key advantages. The first one is having AI on the television is the ability to control the television with just your voice. It's so easy now. For example, you can ask your television to play your favorite program, connect to your soundbar for enhanced sound experience, or you could even voice command to set to your favorite picture mode. The second advantage is that now you can enjoy television with intelligent content information. What does that mean? You could search the soundtrack of a movie, for example, check information about the cast or the director. And by the way, you can even turn off the TV at the end of the program without actually having to schedule a particular time. And last but not least, you can get the most out of LG's AI TVs with the Google Assistant integrated right into the product. So the Google Assistant is such a simple way to check information for your day, for example, with Google Weather, plan your vacation with Google Maps, use instant translation, or perhaps view your favorite vacation photos. Let me demonstrate. Show me my photos from my vacation.
Take a look at these pictures from your Google Photos.
There we go. Who is that guy? Well, what's more, you could also order pizza straight from your television, book your ride, and all these services are now going to be available in the US in 2018. But that's not all you can do with the Google Assistant that's built into our LG televisions. You can also connect and control all your smart home devices. For example, before our next guest arrives to my home, I want to share more about the TV innovations, but I also want to make sure that the room is all set for his arrival. Turn the air purifier on.
You got it. Turning on the air purifier.
My next guest will be so pleased. The air is pure and clean now. All of LG's smart TVs are equipped with LG ThinQ AI technology. It's certainly going to be a very exciting year for televisions and LG. But as you know, LG TVs are all about picture quality. And here to tell us more on how we've made the best TV ever, even better, is LG Home Entertainment Product Marketing Senior Director, Tim Alessi.
지금 플로이, LG 인공지능 플로이가 발표됐고요. 지금 보시는 것처럼 지금 세 대의 산업용 로봇을 볼 수가 있습니다. 하나는 짐을 나르는 거, 하나는 슈퍼마켓, 그리고 하나는 서빙용 로봇입니다. 총 3대의 로봇이고요. 세 대의 로봇을 지금 잠깐 시연을 통해서 보실 수가 있었습니다. 네, 간단하게 지금 3대의 로봇을 보고 있습니다.